Hello everyone, my name is Nadine. I am the owner of NG Platinum Homes, and today's video is going to be about how to spot dated kitchens and some tips on how to remedy those. So let's talk about the double height countertops on your island. These were very popular 90s and 2000s, and of course these days people are getting away from that trend, but definitely when you see those, you for sure know that it's definitely dated and it's an older design option. And the idea behind these were to kind of give a separation between the kitchen and either your living room area or your seating area where you may be sitting for dinner. And the other option with that is also people wanted to kind of hide the mess of the prep area and kind of give that separation there, and also to give maybe a socializing space to where it looks like it's a bar. And is it a bar or is it an island? Right now, the best option is to do just the one level. Aesthetically, it looks better. And I think for the design options, that's what people are going with right now. We have so many clients that have those double height countertops and they want to completely eliminate it. And I think that that's a great option. The other thing that definitely dates a kitchen is that the not so beautiful glass backsplash. And the popular colors for that back then were the blacks and grays and whites mixed together, or you had the tans and browns. So whenever you walk into somebody's kitchen, you definitely see this is definitely dated. So if you're renovating your kitchen, or even if you just want to change your backsplash and countertop, a great option for that would be to make your countertop material and your backsplash the same, let's say quartz. The beauty of this is it definitely updates your kitchen and it eliminates grout lines from all those tiles. So that's a great option. It's easy to clean, easy to wipe down, and aesthetically it looks absolutely beautiful. Number 3, the Tuscan kitchen. So this was an option a lot of people went with because they're trying to kind of replicate what they think Tuscany looks like. But in my opinion, a lot of people really overdid it. So large corbels, extremely large vent hoods with very ornate details. And then let's not forget the accent of grapes everywhere and these kind of wrought iron wine holders, which I'm not so sure where those came from, but definitely you can tell it's dated if you have those. Now, if you still like this design option, you can still incorporate this into your kitchen, but to tone it down a little bit. Don't necessarily use that very dark tone wood. Go with something a little bit more light and bright of a lighter tone wood. That's a great option. And you can still enjoy that Tuscan theme, but tone it down just a bit as to not overdo it. That raised panel all oak kitchen definitely dates a kitchen. And if you wanted to redo some things in your kitchen, you can update this by just painting your cabinetry if it's not in your budget to do a full renovation. Or the other option that you can do is do what we call a refacing. And what that does, it just keeps the existing boxes in your kitchen and just changes the hinges and the doors. So you can either use a flat slab door, which is a very modern look, or you can go with that shaker style, which a lot of people are going with these days to really update your kitchen and get out of that dated kitchen look for a minimal cost. And the last one is going to be cropped cabinets. And what this is cabinets that don't go all the way to the ceiling. This was never a thing back in the day, and now for at least the last 8-9 years or so, the design style is taking that cabinets all the way to the ceiling. Unless, of course, you have extremely high ceiling, then that's not possible. But generally, in most people's kitchens, it's definitely doable. Now, if it's not in your budget to do a full renovation, you can have your carpenter just add extra cabinetry to what you already have, and that will save a lot of money, and it will give you that aesthetic look that everybody's going for these days. So there's my dated kitchen trends and how to remedy those. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until then, keep designing your life, and I'll see you in the next one.